Hey guys, welcome to Action Figures and Hot Wheels Car Collectors. Today we're going to be checking out the package that I've received from Hemleys. This package, I believe, is the He-Man and the Stridor action figure. Let me show you guys. This is the package that it came in. It's a huge package. And it's also an unboxing video, so I will be unboxing it and showing it to you guys, but I'll do it off camera because it's a huge box, so bear with me guys. Let me just open the box real quick. There you go. Got the figure unboxed here, and here we have He-Man and Stridor. Beautiful action figure. I like the way, I said in the other video for He-Man, the 9 or 10 inch action figure that we just reviewed. Um, the packaging is awesome. They send it with a bubble wrap, and the box is really hard, and it stays protected. All the edges and everything is staying. It's completely protected. So I like the way that they deliver the package. So let me just unwrap the action figure and show you closely. This is a very beautiful action figure. There you go, guys. Now it doesn't. It is not. Wrapped up in any plastic. It's a complete display action figure. You can actually feel the action figure if you want to touch them. Nice Strider action figure here on the left side. There are some weapons here where, and I guess we can attach it on the either peg holes here. Nice 5.5 inch action figure He-Man here. Beautiful details. If you see the left side of the package, there's a nice He-Man image here with some barcode. He-Man and the Masters of the Universe logo as it appears in the CGI animated series. Says He-Man and Stridor. Um, Nice Mattel logo. Here's the figure itself. I like the black armor that he's wearing. Beautiful. Nice two-tone color for Stridor. Again, we have nice shiny golden color, and we also have some nice texture going on here with the purple colors here. It's a beautiful figure. On the back side, we have Castle Grayskull, the CGI animated series Castle Grayskull, Netflix original series, the Netflix logo there. Nothing at the bottom. And as you turn around to the side, nice rock theme here, beautifully done. On the bottom, nothing much, just the basic information. It's an international packaging, obviously. That's why we have some multilingual information here. As we turn around to this side, nothing much. Again, some rock theme. And at the back, we have a nice image of He-Man riding Stridor. And it's worth noting we also have the sword where we can actually handle it onto the side of the Stridor. So that's nice. Again, some multilingual information. It just says rise into battle. I guess that's what is written in different languages. He-Man and the Masters of the Universe logo here. Again, some nice rock theme. Mattel logo. Uh, yeah, the BIS certification, very important for imports in India. Manufactured by First Union Animation Technologies, Vietnam. So thank you, Vietnam, and thank you so much, Mattel, for sending this over to India so we can now buy it online and at the retail store. All right, so without further ado, let me just open the action figure and show you guys. Since it's an open action figure, I mean, there's no clear plastic or any case where we can actually hold on to the action figure. Um, we have a lot of packaging here. We have a lot of rubber bands attached to it. Just have to cut. There we go. Just give me some time. We have Stridor out of the packaging. Let's run down to the articulation if we have him out. So I guess, oh, there's a ratchet joint, I guess. It's not a smooth joint, it's a ratchet joint. So yeah, the back legs can go about that far. Front, again, nice ratchet joint on the front. But the issue is that the figure is hollow from inside. As you can see, the legs here, it is hollow from all four sides. But that's okay. This is how the action figures are made, I guess, for this particular series. Here's the front of the action figure. Nice mechanical horse. I guess this was built by Man at Arms. Nice two-tone colors. Beautiful tail. And here's a saddle where the action figure sits. And here's the handle. I guess we have to attach the blasters, I guess, onto this front. So we'll do that as well. Let me open up He-Man. Let me show you guys. There you go. We have He-Man out of the box. Beautiful details on the face. The face sculpt is awesome. It is exactly how it appears in the animated series. So I completely like the face sculpt. Have a closer look, guys. The eyes are painted beautifully. There's no overlapping of the colors, so that's a nice touch. Beautiful black armor. It's not shiny, but it's worth noting. It's beautifully done. Nice H logo with a sword. Nice loincloth. Beautiful brown color there. All right, let me run down to the articulation. The head is non-removable, but you can turn left and right. Hands can go about that far, just because he has a huge armor here on the side. If you see it, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this resembles the Battle Cat face onto his shoulder pads. That is there on the both side. There you go. Nice ferocious eyes and nice details here with the ears and teeth and nose. So that's actually hindering the articulation. Hands can go about that far, nothing much, but it can go about complete 360-degree without any problem. Now, this action figure doesn't have a elbow joint. Yeah, it doesn't have the elbow joint. Nice silver color gauntlet. We also have a bicep. I'm sorry, the waist. I'm sorry, the wrist swivel. No ab crunch. And I guess there is no waist twist as well. Legs can go about that far. Front, back, about that far. Uh, it's worth noting that we have a boot cut for this figure. There's no ankle joint or no ankle cut here. It's complete flat gray color boots, which is nice. So that's the action figure. This is the 5.5-inch action figure, same way the origins appears. Um, and let me show you the other accessories that he comes with. Nice package. I like the package. It's really nice and tight. If you want to display him in the package, you can also do that as well. Here are the blasters, where we can attach it to the STRIDOR. We have both the sections for left and right. Let me do that real quick while we have it here. I guess this is how it's gonna be. There you go. Oh, I guess it's the other way. This is how it's gonna be, I guess. Yeah, nice. Beautifully done. And automatically, I guess it will have the articulation and go all the way. And if you want to have the action figure sit on to the STRIDOR, it can hold on to the accessory, to the handle nice and easy. There you go. So that's He-Man sitting on STRIDOR. He also has just the last accessory. He-Man is actually completely incomplete without his power sword. So let me show you guys. This is the power sword here that he comes with. Now I've reviewed the other action figure, the giant one, but it has two-tone sword. You know, the hilt and the handle of the sword is actually golden color. But this is a complete gray, flat gray color. There's no much details on it, but it's still nice and solid. You know, it's hard plastic, so it's beautiful. Let's see if we can hold on to his accessory. There you go. Perfect. He can hold on to his accessory nicely. Now, since I have this action figure and I also have the other figures available, let me just give you some other comparisons, so you'll have a better idea how this He-Man and the other He-Man looks like. So this one is a CGI He-Man. I guess this is known as a battle armor He-Man. I'm not sure. This is the Revelation series. This is the 7-inch action figure. I've also made a video on that. You can check that. And I also have the 5.5-inch Origins action figure. That's another action figure. So this is how I do have classics, but I do not have it right now, unfortunately. But I'll get it soon, and we can probably do a comparison for that as well. Now, let me show you the giant action figure of He-Man. This is the giant action figure. This is, I guess, the 10-inch action figure. Now, it's worth noting that this head sculpt are completely same. It is similar. The only thing is this is a really huge action figure, and this is a 5.5-inch one. Sorry. There you go. Here's a comparison of both the action figures from the same series. Look at the difference. I like the armor, nice blue and golden color, and this He-Man, this particular version has a black armor. I was also talking about his power sword. Let me show you the Let me show you the power sword for both both the action figures. There you go. This is what I was talking about. It has a golden hilt and golden handle. This is one is a complete flat gray. So there you go, my friends. That's the action figure for He-Man and the Masters of the Universe CGI animated series. Comment down below which one is your favorite He-Man, whether it's the classics or the original or the Revelation, and let me know which one is your favorite. And please also let me know which action figure would you like to see next. I'll be making a review on that as well. So happy collecting, my friends, and take care.